I've been in the business for 23 years. We're a large dealership group out of Phoenix, Arizona. I look at the wholesale report every week. Some of the top performers are the backlot car auction vehicles. It began at my store in San Diego. One of my managers started using it. I was obviously skeptical about what exactly this is all about, how the logistics work, how the payment works, and we've been on it for a year and it's been fantastic. They're bringing higher values. The money was coming in just as quick or even faster than a traditional auction house. We didn't want to hassle with the pictures, pushing it online. You guys handled all that. I think technology has really come a long way. The proof is in the pudding, and you couldn't make it easier, and obviously bringing more value for my wholesale.